Hey everyone, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. I have 3 collections to show you guys, 3 sticker packs, 10 doodles, 2 foil bundles, and some extra things. And then I also have a kit from last week, which I'll show you guys at the end, that I didn't get to show last week, but I figured in case you wanted to see it like in person, that I'd show you in case you wanted to. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. Let's start off with the doodles. So we do have 10 doodles this week. It is 221 to 230. So the first thing we have here are some chicken nuggets, and then we also have some fried chicken. Then we also have french fries. There's some regular french fries as well as some curly fries mixed in. And then there is like a little burger meal as well as a chicken nugget meal. And then we do have some footballs, some basketballs, some tennis balls. Is that a tennis ball or is that a baseball? That could be a baseball, I guess. And then some soccer balls, and then also some trophies. So those are the doodles coming out this week. We do have 3 sticker packs coming out this week. 2, well, they're all not collections coming out this week, but I did ask what y'all wanted to see. There were a lot of requests. Some of these have a little less pieces than normal because there were less clip art pieces. But I tried to pick, the coolest ones, make them, a good size. So the first one here is from Batu Bound, and this has the lightsaber. I'm not sure what those are called, but all different pieces from this set, and these are super cute. I think these would look adorable on like an August dashboard, September, November, something like that. But it's just all different pieces from the clip art. The second one here is from the 50th, which is probably the most requested. This one doesn't have as much clip art as other collections does because it did have 4 different scenes, which was, I think, the most scenes that I've ever done in any kit in our shop. So the clip art, there wasn't as much because there were so many scenes. So you have the lanyard, and then there's just a little Mickey head, a mask with the 50th logo on it. You have both Mickey and Minnie, and then an autograph book, little mouse ears, the outfit, the magic band, and then the balloons. And then last but not least, this was requested by Darcy, the artist who drew this. And she was like, need Beetlejuice as a sticker pack. And I knew Kirsten would also really appreciate this. And this is a cute one for like spooky season. So you have your backer card. The backer card is just normal photo paper. All of these are on our glossy sticker paper. So you can either use them as die cuts or you can peel them off and stick them. They're not like vinyls. They're not waterproof, but they're a more affordable option. So you get a lot more bang for your buck, especially if you're just decorating dashboards and doing die cut type things with them, but they are not waterproof. So you have the, is it like the sandworm? You have the Inferno Room postcard, the like hat circus thing, Lydia's red dress, the waiting number, Miss Argentina, the like bride and groom situation, the head, her camera, the little Beetlejuice ad, the handbook for the recently deceased, the Beetlejuice sign, and then the ghosts there as well on the Polaroid. And those are all of the sticker packs for this week. Now I have some extra items that kind of go along with this week's foil bundle release. I have been wanting to put up some individual sheets of both Champagne Lights and Lavender Hollow. I do want to mention that I was at work today, and for some reason I thought I had a lot of extras of Champagne Lights bougie boxes, like I ordered extra, but I'm not 100% sure. So this is a maybe. I'm going to have Kirsten look through our extras bin. After we're done with the foil bundle, we save the extras, and maybe one day we'll do grab bags or something with them, but Champagne Lights and things like that, like foils that we normally bring back over and over again, we save them just in case, we're missing some bougie boxes later on. But if I can have her come up with enough to list them, I will in the bougie boxes, and then also the matte label sampler. And then also we do have a limited amount of the mini icons that are Once More With Love collab in Champagne Lights. And same thing goes in the Lavender Hollow. I know for a fact I have a ton of Lavender Hollow bougie boxes, and then there's the Lavender Hollow matte samplers as well as the Lavender Hollow mini icons. Another thing that will be listed as well, and I'm going to put them all, I think, in the same listing. It's just going to be like, I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's all going to be under new releases, but I will also have these sheets. So these are the Sparkly Hollow Bougie boxes in the larger size, and these have been so requested to be brought to the shop. We do have plans to bring them permanently, but I'm going to put them up for a limited time. So this is going to be in place of our like flash sale for this week. We're going to be doing like a limited run of special edition, limited edition foil releases. Along with those, I figured we had these two foil bundles that are so pretty. So we do have the Luxe design in Lavender Hollow and Champagne Lights. The Luxe design premiered in the 7-year bundle in mixed metal, so we do have that in the shop as well. But I wanted to release it in Champagne Lights and Lavender Hollow, and I figured with this week bringing those extra sheets to the shop to be able to pick those up, it'd be a good time to bring this. So you do have 2 of these sheets here with the 6 full boxes along with the header overlays. You have the Champagne Lights Bougie boxes, 2 sheets of those, the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi fancy header deco and date number page. So that is the first bundle, and again, that is in Champagne Lights, which is my favorite foil. Champagne Lights is like hollow is to Sparkly Hollow, gold is to Champagne Lights. And then last but not least, like I said, the Luxe foil bundle in Lavender Hollow, which Lavender Hollow is probably my second favorite fun foil. You do also have the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, as well as the bottom washi, the fancy headers deco, and the date numbers. So that's everything besides the kits for this week. So all of that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. But let's go ahead and get into the kits. So they are all spooky this week. I do have, I think our last 2 customs will be coming next week, along with another one. It might be a reformat as well. So there's still more good stuff coming. And if anybody else releases anything, but I will let you guys know on Instagram for sure. And also, of course, next week's new release video. But this week has some fire kits, and I'm so excited to use my planner. Halloween's been so difficult because I just want to use everything. I am doing September and October Halloween because like it's just all so cute. So this one here is called Halloween Night. It has a pink, orange, black, and green colorway, and it's just really cute, spooky, like spoopy kind of situation. And you have this super cute couple here and lots of treats and drinks and pumpkins, and it just has all of the spooky vibes. I love the colors. I think it's so fun for Halloween that's still kind of like bright and cheery while still having these spooky feels. I love this pattern. Whenever I opened the art, this reminded me of like crackle nail polish, and I was like, I kind of want some black crackle nail polish. You have the bottom washi and extra full wax over here. I thought this would be perfect for a quote. And then the freebie in both the mini and ultimate is the tall fashion option here, which I just love her hair. Like, I think that if I ever color my hair a fun color again, I feel like I would do it when the kids are older. Like if they were doing it, I'd be like, I'm that cool mom, right? But I would definitely do green. Like I'd probably do like, I don't actually know. There'd be green involved because I think green's so cool. Then it also does come in a mini kit with the same freebie. You do have add-on options of both the 15mm strip, the label sampler, as well as the fashion options right here. Next, let's go on to another spooky kit. They're all spooky kits this week, but this one is called Spooky, and it's so cute. It's just so quintessential Halloween. It's a little bit darker and kind of like vampy vibes, which will kind of lead into the next collection, but I love the 2 different scenes. You have 2 flat lays and then 2 regular boxes, and I just think it's adorable. I love just the vibes of this. You have some extra scenes over on the side, a very classic Halloween color scheme, the super cute ghosts and candy corn, some plaid flannel throughout, and then super cute bottom washi with that extra full box on there. And that is the ultimate kit, but it does also come in a mini kit, of course. The freebie in both the mini and the ultimate are the 2 fashion options here. And then we do also have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also the fashion option. They're so cute. I love this like ombre hair situation. Adorable. And then last but certainly not least, I am so excited about this kit. Whenever Jess told me she was going to do this, which was like 9 months ago, I think, I was like, yes, please, everything. This is probably my second or third favorite Halloween art. My first favorite Halloween art is coming out next week and I'm so excited for it, but I think this is so cute. I love the Addams Family. It's one of those movies I grew up on and I am just obsessed. I think it is done so well. Everything has spooky vibes. The Ultimate kit, you have your extra full boxes over here, and both the mini and the Ultimate do come with these boxes here as well. So lots of box options, especially if you pick the Ultimate. So here is the full box page, and I love the colors with the like gray tones with the red. I think the foil options for this are unlimited. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Maybe some spider webs, maybe some candy, maybe some red. I don't know. And then there is the bottom washi, and I thought this would be perfect for a quote. If you guys have any shops that you know that are releasing Addams Family quote boxes, let me know in the comments down below. DM me on Instagram. I need them now. Here is the 15mm strip and the label sampler if you want to add those on. So that's everything that's new that's coming to the shop for this week, Wednesday at noon Eastern. But I am going to show you guys a kit that came out last week. It was actually the best seller last week, which for spooky season, a non-spooky kit to be a bestseller means it is well loved. So I'm super excited about that. It also does come in a mini kit. Sorry if you guys hear Bennett upstairs. He's playing with Legos. But this is called Stars Hollow, and it's based on Gilmore Girls. I haven't watched much Gilmore Girls. I was talking to somebody on Instagram, and I have seen a few episodes from it being on before or after a show that I watched. But I know the general premise, but it's such a cute kit. I think it'd be perfect for fall, but really an anytime kit if you're like binging the like whole series or, you know, for whenever. This could also be really cute like back to school kit, or just like any type of school event. I love the colors. I think they're just really nice and like warm. You have your extra box over here and then the plaid bottom washi. And then both the mini and the Ultimate do have extra boxes as a freebie. And then let me go ahead and show you. I just mashed all those words together. There is a 15mm strip if you want to add it on. There is also a label sampler if you want to add it on. And then there is also fashion options if you want to add those on. So that is everything for me to show you guys this week. Everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern on the website. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys on Wednesday with a plan with me. And I also have a plan with me up on Friday. Super hyped about that, but I'll talk to you all later. Bye.